Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn on Wi-Fi calling on your Android device. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the settings of your Android phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on the search bar on the top right corner on that magnifier, and then you'll have to search for Wi-Fi calling. Now you'll be able to find an option of Wi-Fi calling on the top of your screen. You'll have to tap on it and it will take you to a new page where you'll be able to find an option of Wi-Fi calling on the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and on the top right corner you will be able to find an option of toggle, and that is turned off right now. And if you want to turn on Wi-Fi calling, you can easily turn it on. Basically it will enhance your call quality. Whenever the signals are weak, it will you'll be able to place the call through Wi-Fi. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank